Here we come to the observation deck elevator at the David L. Lawrence Convention Center in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I think this is a Schindler 330A, but with custom, I think these are like Adams fixtures or WN. Oh, it's on. It's on. I just want to record this thing. There it is. Whoa. Now, I don't know if this is if I'm right or not, but I think this elevator was installed later on. If I'm correct. Let's go up. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Woo! Excelsior! I think it's a Schindler 330A. It's telescoping hole is. And here we up on the roof. We are up on the rooftop. It's downtown Pittsburgh right here, open straight upside. Okay, let's go down to 2. I guess it doesn't matter which way it goes down. We'll look at the indicator. This one is in better shape. It's kind of flickering on my camera though. Yeah, I think this is like a Schindler 330A from, I think 2005 probably? I'm not sure. It might have actually been installed around the same time this building was first opened though. I don't know. Here we are on 2. And it opens up on both sides. That is pretty cool. This elevator's got a bit of a European feel to it, in my opinion. Hey, look at this. All glass. This is beautiful. This is probably the most beautiful elevator in Pittsburgh, I have to say. It's a freaking 330A. Okay, let's go up to the observation deck, I like to call it, or aka the roof. Just look out the windows this time. This is so cool. This is awesome. I think I'm going to end it up on the roof, or observation deck. Sneak view. Ah, see they got like light up directory signs now. Here up on the observation deck, on the roof. Let's go out this way. Oh yeah. There's the North Shore. You can see Allegheny General Hospital right over there. I think that's the City View Towers. But anyway, there goes, and that's it.